How to swap tokens on MetaMask. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I will show you how you can swap tokens on MetaMask, and here is how to go about it. Now, to swap tokens on MetaMask is a convenient feature that allows you to exchange one cryptocurrency token for another directly within your MetaMask wallet. So to do this, the first step is to open your MetaMask extension, just like I have done here. And then after opening the extension, you'll be brought to the page where you can see your MetaMask logo and all of that. And then the next thing is to ensure that you are currently on the network where the token resides. And how do you do so? Go to the top left corner and then click on your Ethereum network, or whichever network you're on currently, and then you can just go ahead and select the right network if the Ethereum mainnet is not the correct network, or you can decide to add a new network if you want to. Then, having done that, move to the part of the screen where you can see some icons and then select swap. After selecting swap, the next option here would be to select the token that you want to exchange. All right, and then you have to ensure that you have enough token. For me, I'll just use this as an example, so I'll be selecting 4. All right, and then the next is to select the token you want to exchange it to. Then I'll be selecting the USDT. Then after that, you scroll down and you can see fetching codes. All right, so you'd allow your MetaMask to fetch the correct code and then to translate the amount you'd be getting after changing your Ethereum or whichever cryptocurrency that you found there. Okay, so once that is done, you can see the estimated gas fee. You can see the quote rate. If you're satisfied with this gas fee, you can go ahead with it. But then if not, you can just go to the top right corner of the screen here, click on the settings option, and then change the slippage tolerance. By changing the slippage tolerance, you also is needed for you to be able to have a good rate due to the fluctuation rates that is common now. All right, so you can just leave it the way it is if you do not want to change it, and then you can now see the gas fee, the amount you'd get, and all of that. And if you're satisfied with this, you can just go ahead and click on swap, and then just like that, your Ethereum or your USDT or any coin that you selected will be swapped and exchanged into the next token. So this is how it works. This is how you can swap your token on MetaMask. Thanks for watching and have a good day.